One size fits all with an adjustable headband and leatherette ear pads. These on-ear headphones can be adjusted to fit most head sizes. Easy to use, simply plug in and play, no installation needed. Connect single 3.5mm plug directly to any compatible device. Durable design. These headsets are hard-wearing and long-lasting, which is vital when being frequently used in school and businesses. The thick braided TuffCord is ultra-durable and student-proof. Quality includes 1 year hassle-free. Top reviews from the United States. Granddaughter loves them. I purchased these headphones for my granddaughter for when she comes to visit. They fit very well and she loves them. My own daughter with special needs loves them too, so I will definitely be purchasing again. Good quality, great audio, and a good price. We're very satisfied. I was going to take a picture, but my daughter took them to her day program. The music sounds so much better with the use of your product. Very satisfied.